What's up everyone, welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are making asparagus spinach dip. You've heard of artichoke spinach dip, right? Well, we're making asparagus spinach dip tonight. It's gonna be perfect for Super Bowl and any other party you wanna throw. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is chop our asparagus and our garlic. So we're gonna chop the rough stems off of our asparagus. We need about a pound. Now you need a large pan, and we're gonna preheat this over medium heat. Throw in your oil. In the meantime, grab all of your spinach, all the spinach you can find. We're gonna need a pound of this as well, which equates to about 2 bunches. All right, spinach is washed, so grab your garlic. We're gonna saute this for about a minute. You don't wanna burn it. We want it to get fragrant. It's delicious. All right, now we're gonna add the asparagus and a 1/3 cup of water. Now it says to bring this to a boil. There's not a lot of water in here, so just make sure it's bubbling. All right, we're sizzling. So cover it up, and we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes until it turns bright green. Nothing reminds me of spring and summer more than asparagus. And although we're not grilling it, I think it's still gonna be great. They are a beautiful green, just how we want them. Now we're gonna lower our heat to a medium, and we're gonna add the spinach in batches. We're gonna let them wilt, as they like to do. We're gonna cover this, let it wilt a little faster. I love the different colors of green. It's like a vegan paradise. All right, now that we've successfully added all the spinach, we're gonna cook this for about 5 minutes uncovered. So this is done cooking, so we're just gonna turn the burner off, let it sit there while we start on the other stuff. So grab your cashews and your capers, and grab your food processor. And salt to taste. Now you want this to be small, coarse crumbs, just like we have here. Now we're gonna add our spinach and our asparagus. Now you wanna blend this until it's relatively smooth, which it's almost there. So let's go ahead and add our lemon juice. And adjust for salt and pepper. Now you wanna refrigerate this for at least an hour. Fun fact, it takes asparagus 3 years to go from seed to harvest in order for us to enjoy them. Now they are perennials, so they can last for 15 years plus. You can't harvest them the first year. I mean, you could, but it would, be stupid. And if the weather is perfect, they can grow as much as 1 inch an hour. And we're back. Let's try it. Pretty good. I would say to chill a little bit longer than an hour because it's just like slightly chilled, and I feel like this would be good, like cold. It's a good flavor. I might add a little bit more salt to it. It doesn't need it, but I'd probably add it. When I think of a dip like this, I think it should be kind of salty. It's pretty good though. And it is a nice variation of an artichoke spinach dip. It's creamy. It does have a light asparagus taste to it. All in all, this is a great dip. Perfect for Super Bowl, perfect for parties. If you'd make this, and I'd suggest you should, hit a thumbs up, I would love you for it. Make sure to subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. I will see you all next time.